So you can see example number 6, draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 7. So for this question, we have to take various values of x and calculate the value of y. Let's say if I take x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0, then what should be the value of y? Y comes out to be 7. When you put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 7. So if you take the value of y as 0, then x becomes 7. So you can plot with the help of these 2 points. What is the first point? It is 0, comma 7. First point, we write x, then comma y, and second point is x, that is 7 comma 0. So you plot 0 comma 7. What does it mean? It is lying on y-axis. So this is 0 comma 7, you can see, and 7 comma 0 is like, you can see, it is lying on the x-axis. 7 comma 0. So when we plot it, then after plotting of this point, you have to join it with a line. So line should have arrow on both the side. You can see there is one arrow here, there is one arrow here. That indicates that it can be extended in both the direction. Okay, so this is how you need to do. So let's move quickly to example number 7. The statement is like, you know that force applied on the body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. So that is the part of physics. Force is directly proportional to acceleration.
Yes.
Write an equation to express this situation and plot the graph of the equation. So like if I write, let's say the variable for force is F, and let's say it is directly proportional to acceleration A. Okay, so this is the statement of this question, that force is directly proportional to acceleration. So if I remove this proportionality sign, then I should put up some proportionality constant. So let's say that k is some constant. So what is the equation? Equation is F is equal to Ka, where what is F? Here F is force. I have taken the variable for force as F, and A is the variable for acceleration, and K is, let's say it is some constant. So I have removed the sign of proportionality constant, and in place of that sign I have substituted K. So now we do have a mathematical equation. Now if you want to plot a graph, so let's say if I take k as some value, let's say if I take k is equal to 5, I can take any value for k, because see, it is given k is some constant. So you can take any constant. My choice, I have taken 5. So now I need to make a table. What are the variables in that table? The variables should be f and a. Okay, so like if I put, now the equation is like f is equal to 5 into a. So if I put a as 0, then what is the value of f? 5 into 0 is 0. So f becomes 0. If I put a as 1, then what is the value of f? 5 into 1. So 5 into 1 is how much?
5.
5. So now we have 2 points. You can see first is 0 comma 0, and another one is 5 comma 1. So you just have to plot these points and you are done. Okay, so next type of question in this exercise is, you need to find which out of these options is a solution for this graph. You can see there is a graph that is first written first in this picture. Okay, now you have to choose out of this 4 option which is correct equation of line for this graph. So how we will be choosing it? Let's say take any point which is lying on this line. So we can take any point. Let's say if I take 1 comma 2. So what is the value of x here? X is 1 and y is 2. So I will be checking it. If I put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, am I getting LHS and RHS equal? Okay, so just substitute it and find where you are getting LHS and RHS are equal.
Ma'am, can you do one?
Yeah, I can do one. So what is the way of doing this question? You have to look at the graph, and from this graph, whatever points are lying on the line, that line, you should concentrate on that line and find out which points. So I can see 1 comma 2 is lying on this line. So x is 1, y is 2. I substitute in this 4 equations. Wherever I find LHS and RHS equal, I will say yes, this is the solution. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. 1 plus 2. So that is making 3. So this is wrong. 3 is not equal to 0. When you put x as 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. And what is y? Y is 2. So 2 and 2. So you will say yes, LHS and RHS is equal. So second is the correct answer.
So, ma'am, we have got two of them. So, ma'am, we have got one of them. So, we have to try the next rest of them.
No, no. See, this is not multiple correct options. There is single correct option. It is there in like competitive examinations. So in CBSE, you will not be given multiple correct options. That is only one choice is correct. But make sure you check it properly.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's proceed to BC part. Give it a try yourself. I will be hand holding otherwise.